ain't even like, not even like on no cocky shit. But when you know you're confident in yourself and you know you look good, then you just be standing there like, damn, bitch, you is fine. Like, bitch, you is fine as fuck. Like, damn, girl, you fine as fuck.
With me cause they know big Latto with 3. I'm always on point, ain't talking in dicks. Keith, I made these bitches sweat. Nah, you don't gotta ask where I'm at. I'm always on these bitches necks. Damn, little bitch, you tripping. We could've been superstars.
What's up, my Lavish gang? Welcome back. And this is an updated makeup tutorial. I'm going to be listing every product and showing you every product here in the video, so you can just follow along. Here I am going ahead and putting my primers on my face. I put a moisturizer on first, and then I'm going to go ahead and prime. This Poreless Putty Primer by e.l.f. I love it. Live by it. If you're going for that very matte finish, definitely use this primer. It speaks for itself. And I use it a lot in my T-zone area because I'm oily there. But you got to rub it in, y'all. Rub that in. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply the Laura Mercier translucent powder to my face before applying my foundation. This helps me stay matte and not having to transfer my makeup onto a face mask. And when you see me scrunch up my nose to put the setting powder there, it's because I crease there. So wherever you crease, you want to go ahead and scrunch that up and put that powder in there. Now we're going to go ahead and apply the setting powder on top of that. I did let it dry off camera. And I'm using this Morphe Tint Moisturizer. Now, as I'm applying on here, I did realize on the camera it does look like it's kind of dark on my skin complexion. But it does actually match me perfectly. Once you see the finished look, you'll see that it matches me perfectly once it oxidizes out. And then when I like to use a lighter concealer. So I do go for just a foundation color that's just a little darker than my skin complexion. Not too much that you can tell the difference. But like I said on here, you'll actually be able to see once I get finished that it matches me perfectly. We're going to buff that in. Then we're going to go ahead and apply our LA Girl Pro Concealer. And let me just state this. I didn't realize that I was showing y'all some of the products upside down. I apologize. I did not realize that till I was editing the video. So yeah. So we're going to go ahead. And I know people nowadays, they don't put that concealer on like this anymore. They just do the one dot under the eye and the one dot under the wing area where if you would put a wing liner. I ain't that girl. I need coverage. Coverage up under that eye. I want it all bright. Y'all saw, well, y'all ain't see hubby, but that was hubby. Trying to show me an outfit for outside. So we're going to go ahead and still spray. We're going to be using this setting spray a lot. It's a mattifying setting spray, but it allows the stuff to absorb into the skin perfectly. Now, y'all, I just purchased this brush. It is a concealer brush, but you can see I don't like it, right? Look, watch. I ain't like how I was going. I believe it was an e.l.f. brush. But yeah, I was not feeling the way it was blending out my concealer. So I did go in with my Morphe beauty blender. Now, this beauty blender, I live by. It is like so freaking soft. Like, oh my God, it's the freaking best. It is so soft. Now, my beauty blender was slightly damp as I'm applying, before I went and blended out my concealer. It was slightly damp from me cleaning it. I did not purposely do it, but I did like the way it, had my face. It looked bomb. It looked so like neat and blended, and it was on point. So you just watch me blend this out here. But as y'all saw my clip in the beginning where I was talking about us women living in our confidence, being cocky, and telling yourself every day that you are a beautiful woman, okay? Ladies, we got to do this. If ain't nobody else going to tell us, we got to make sure we are confident within ourselves. We live for us only, and we telling ourselves our affirmations every morning to uplift our spirits and get our day started. We have to do this. Now here, I am using a Black Radiance contour stick. I just purchased this stick, so my first time trying it on camera. I actually did love it. It blended out perfectly. Now this is a Morphe contour. I believe it was like a contour brush. It didn't have the number, and I don't remember what number it was. But I'm using that to blend out the contour, and I just love this. So yeah, if you had never used the Black Radiance contour stick like myself, give it a try. It definitely was very creamy texture, went on very smooth, and I love the color. The color of that contour stuck out very much, a lot to me. I definitely love it. Look how it sculpted my face. Like, I'm gonna say it now, sis. You look good. You look freaking bomb. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and blend that out in the nose area. And if y'all didn't notice, I did do my makeup a little different this time. I didn't do my brows or my eyeshadow first. Bet y'all didn't even notice that now, did y'all? But you want to blend the concealer up into your eye. And now we're going to go ahead and use our setting powder and just apply that everywhere where we put concealer. Now, I don't know. I just live by this Juvia's Place setting powder. It's like, I don't know. I don't know if it's because of my skin complexion, my undertone, or what. But when I put this in, or the foundation I use, but when I put this mug on, it just be looking, so good. Now, y'all see me scratching up that face. Put that setting powder in those creases. It will keep you from creasing. Set them crease to keep from creasing. Set that crease to keep from creasing. So yeah, girl. Go ahead and set that face. And I like to try to blend out my nose perfectly with the setting powder to give that sculpt so that that nose can be on point, sis. But anyways, I want to shout out to all of my new subscribers. Welcome over here to the Lavish gang. And you're going to love it over here, okay? You're going to love it. I really appreciate you guys. Like, I'm asking for the followers, and you guys are you sticking there with me. If you're enjoying my content, please let me know. Don't hesitate to comment and talk to me. Talk to me. I like to talk to people. Talk to me. And we, give me ideas on the type of videos that you guys want to see so I can get these out to you. I want to put out content that you guys are going to watch. I've been seeing that I've been getting a lot of views on these certain 3 videos that I've posted. So I'm like, okay, I see the kind of content that, some of you guys like. But if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, you got to get subscribed to the Lavish Gang. Now here, if you didn't watch my last makeup tutorial on my client, I'm using this to carve out my contour. That way I don't have to go in with the setting powder under the contour. It'll already have that line there that you can tell. You see, I didn't have to go under it to make it stand out more with the setting powder. Now, I love this little dollar store blush. Baby, that blush is beautiful. Now this right here, I gotta order another one. It looked like it's empty, but it's really not. It's just broken up. But this Physicians Formula highlighter, baby, do y'all see? Like, go get it, sis. I'm telling you, that highlight is bomb. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into our brows. I did use the spoolie on both brow. I don't know why I didn't show that. I think I forgot. But I'm using a pencil. I have not used a pencil to do my brows in so long. So I am starting off with a pencil. But I do end up going off camera in a minute to do my brows. And I ended up going over the pencil with a pomade. Because I don't know, it's like I'm a pomade chick now. Like, I've been watching how the women, the makeup artists over in Africa, the way they do their brows with the eyebrow pencil. Like, I want to achieve that look. But I don't know if it's the type of pencil that I may be using. And I did watch this one lady's YouTube video. I forgot her name. I believe it begins with an O. She's over in Africa and she does the brows. And she keeps multiple brow pencils and always keep them sharp. Like, they have to always remain sharp. So she always has her assistant sharpening the pencils to make sure they stay pointy while she's doing the brows. Now, that's a lot. They had to go and buy all them pencils for myself and keep them. But I kept sharpening this one off camera. The same powder that I used over my contour that's the exact same powder I'm applying to my nose. But anyway, yeah, I want to achieve that brow look. Like, so I don't know if you can tell, but yes, I went over my brows with upon me. If you guys want an updated brow tutorial, let me know and I'll show you guys. So today I was only going for a one shade brow look. Just wanted to do something natural. You know, I wasn't trying to, I'm enjoying the natural looks. I haven't done like a dramatic eye look in a while. Maybe that'll be my next tutorial. I'll do something. I haven't done one because I'm just enjoying like the Olivia songs, Kevin Long, those bronze single eyeshadow makeup looks. Like they're in right now. Everybody's wearing it. They're in. So yeah, I did apply. No, I'm thinking about my last client. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray. This is a brown pencil. I believe it's an NYX. I know I got it from the hair store. So you can get any like chocolate or dark brown lip liner. And then I use my Morphe nude lipstick and commit. But we'll get to that. So I didn't want to forget to put my mascara on because I do that a lot. So once I remembered, I stopped my lips to go do my mascara, so I would not forget. But I love my bottom lashes. Like, my bottom lashes are just so freaking cute, okay? And then I'm going to put my moles on my face. Now, at the beginning of the video, before I even did anything, I do have this mole on my cheek, so I just put it back right there where it was. But the Marilyn Monroe, that's what it's kind of called, the Marilyn Monroe over top of the lip, I do that. It's my signature. So this is the matte Morphe lipstick I was saying. I love this. I have Commit and Bear It All. Those are the two I use for my nudes, so you guys can check them out. Now on to this hair. So I did not cut my own hair. I actually went to this girl. She was looking for a short haircut model, and I was always saying I wanted to cut my hair again. So she did my hair, cut my hair for free. Actually, I just had to tip her, but I actually tipped her like what she charged. So I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my hair here. Now, if you guys would like me to do a video on how I style my short hair, how I do a relaxer, how I mold it, curl it, and get it into this look, let me know, and I'll do a video on that. And no, my hair is not smoking. It's just from the Ocean. I believe the Ocean had got on the plates of the flat iron. Yeah, so that's really why. But I have a question. Like, I have very, very thick hair, like very thick hair. Even if I get a relaxer, my hair still feels thick. I'm trying to find a nice treatment that could help me. And then I'm on Depot, and it's kind of changing my hair texture, and it's actually making my hair fall out. So I want to know if y'all got any suggestions, just let me know so I could just try it out. But I tried this little treatment by the same brand of the Ocean Proclaim. It's like a pre-treatment, a protein treatment. I did try that. It did a little something, so I know I possibly need to continue to do it. I only did it once, so I probably, need to do a treatment every week just to get my hair back, because my hair is kind of damaged and definitely like falling out. But anyway, I'm getting ready for family night. We are going to go see Batman in the movies. And we actually we so bougie. Now that the movie theaters be having like the nice reclining chairs and the wait staff that waits you at your seat. Yeah, we be trying to find a movie theater. So we actually drove a whole hour away just to go to this movie theater so we can be waited on. Just for our son to fall asleep in the freaking movie. But I actually started falling asleep too. We went like we went at 9:30 at night. I don't know why. My husband loves to go to a late night movie knowing I'm gonna fall asleep. So yeah, my son was knocked out probably within the first freaking hour of the movie. Like, so yeah, We ended up leaving. We didn't even watch it. He was like, we can leave if y'all tired, let's go. And plus we had to drive a whole hour back, and we were already leaving 12 something, and the movie started at 9:30. It was like 12 something, close to 1, and it was still going. So yeah, I was like, yeah, time to go. I ain't even like, not even like on no cocky shit, but when you know you're confident in yourself and you know you look good, then you just be standing there like, damn, bitch, you is fine. Like, bitch, you is fine as fuck. Like, damn, girl, you fine as fuck. Because I'm already sitting in the mirror looking at myself like, damn, you is good as fuck. Keep that confidence. I don't give a fuck. Don't let nobody try to tell you cocky or nothing. You ain't cocky. You're confident in yourself. And tell your motherfucking self every day, girl, you're fine. Girl, you look good. Girl, you fine. Girl, you look good. All right, come on, y'all. Time to get dressed, because I did tell hubby I was going to be dressed by the time he got back. Let's go. All right, so this is the finished look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you guys can stay tuned and share my videos. And I want to shout out to all my new subscribers. Shout out, you got me to 100. Thank you for subscribing. Now we're on the road to 1,000. Okay, on the road to 1,000. 1000. Help you girl get there. Okay. Until next time, peace.